So today I am in Delhi at Hotel The Park, and I have come to attend an event which has been organized by Franchise World, one of the most renowned brand that I have come to know lately. And I am representing my brand, that is Dr. Batras, and we have a stall here, and you have to see it to believe it that the event has been organized so flawlessly and we're getting so good footfalls, and you won't believe that from 11 a.m. till 4 p.m. we've got almost 9 hot leads, great prospects. They are actually keen in investing in the brands.
How is the support from Franchise World team?
Okay, so they have been quite supportive so far. I know quite a few people now here in your organization: Sneha, Mayanka, and Abhi, I guess. I really don't know what's his name actually. So they have been quite cooperative and supportive in terms of setting up the stall and ensuring that the prospects whosoever are coming in looking in for good brands, they are ensuring that they are sending it to Dr. Batras, and then that is how we are taking it forward.
So far, how many branches and franchises Dr. Batras have?
We have 87 franchises as of now in entire India, plus 3 in Bangladesh. So we have a vision of opening 100 plus franchises by end of this financial year.
Who is the right franchisee for your brand?
Anybody who's ready to invest a minimum amount of 20 to 25 lakhs is the right kind of investor for me. And secondly, if he is ready to give that proper time to that particular business, because in any sort of business, whatever it is, you have to ensure that you are giving proper time, and you cannot just be dependent on that particular brand that they will do everything for you. We are there to support you, but at the end, you also have to give your time and your valuable efforts.
I ask this question to every brand. Why should someone invest in Dr. Batras?
Very nice question. So, as far as we talk about Dr. Batras, I think it is a basic necessity in today's world for the entire population of the world to be healthy and fit. And in healthcare brand, you will see all that the people actually want to invest in that and want to be fit. If the person will not be fit, what will he do for the coffee shops and other businesses? First of all, you have to take care of your health. Then only you can do the other things in life, right? So healthcare has become a basic necessity in today's world.
You said you have 87 existing franchises. What are their feedback about Dr. Batras?
Alright, so as I told you that we have almost 87 plus franchisees. So these 87 franchises are owned by 38 partners. So now you can very well imagine that there is no such partner who's handling one franchisee. One clinic is, one partner is owning around 6 to 7 clinics now. The partners who have invested in Dr. Batras and with us, they have seen the trust and the credibility that has been provided to them by the brand. And this is how now they've started investing in Dr. Batras with us to ensure that they are doing a profitable business. And the break even, if I talk about, you can easily get to your break even in 8 to 10 months, and the ROI is recovered within 16 to 18 months of the time.
What is your brand's vision and growth aspiration?
So basically, our vision is very clear: Dr. Batras Har Ghar Mein. So this brand Dr. Batras was founded in the year 1982 by Chairman Dr. Mukesh Batra, and we started the franchise business in the year 2014. This is an 11 years journey now, and in 11 years we have made around 90 plus clinics now. We've already signed 3-4 more clinics, so that's why I'm counting the number to 90. And the journey has really been very great. And the patients of Dr. Batras, who saw that they were very much satisfied and they've got great results, they were the ones also who showed interest and in taking over this business to other levels. Because the vision of this company is seen in every clinic wherever you go. You go, Dr. Batras Har Ghar Mein. So that is how we, get a lot of prospects who can further rely on us and can invest in us.
What kind of support Dr. Batras provide to their franchisees?
So we as a brand make sure that we are taking the onus of the entire business of that particular franchise owner. Be it marketing visits, be it the revenue per month basis, be it the training of the doctor or the training of the staff or the infrastructure or any kind of medical support or operational support that ever is required by the franchise owner. So this is the best that we provide from our side. We even provide the medical heads and the mentors and the medical expertise committee who help to, you know, satisfy the patients up to that level. This is the kind of the support that we give it to the owners, franchise owners, and they have that belief and faith in us that they're investing in us further.
How is your experience about the prospects you meet in this event?
Yes, so it's not a piece of cake wherein if any prospect is coming to my table at any event and I have to, you know, convert them right away. It takes a lot of time. You need to have a lot of patience. You have to develop that confidence in that particular person that is sitting right in front of you, and then that person have a lot of queries to ask. Once those are sorted and once we give them the quick and the prompt responses out of that, then they think about it. But yes, it takes around 6 to 7 days to convert one lead into a final franchisee.
Okay, one last question. Any final words for franchise world?
I would say that franchise world is doing a great thing, and we are getting a lot of potential leads over here. This is one of the direct marketing that any brand can actually do, wherein we are getting to meet the prospects right in front of us and we get to know what are the queries that they all have, and even we are learning a lot from here. So thanks to franchise world.